Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change background color of chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to change the background color of chart. At first, select my data and go to the insert menu, create a chart. Go to the recommended chart option. You can add any chart. Now I am select the all chart option and I am select the column chart and click OK. Now we can see here the column chart. Now we want to change the color of background. Select the chart, click right button and go to the format chart area option. And we can see here the fill and the line option. Now I am enable the fill. Now I am select the solid fill and we can see we change the color easily. You can change another color. Then close the window. Now we can see we change the background color of chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.